Hello my friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious popsicle in a bag of piña colada. Yes, it comes out delicious and perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are my ingredients. I have concentrate, color, flavor of pineapple, condensed milk, evaporated milk, coconut cream, of course our pineapple, granulated sugar, our baggies, heavy whipping cream, and water. This is everything we need to prepare these amazing piña colada popsicles in a bag. So let's get started. I want to start here first making my simple syrup, and I have 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and from here let's take it to the stove. We're going to start heating it up. When the water turns crystal clear just like this, that means that the sugar has dissolved completely. We're going to turn it off and let it rest. And now I want to start here first with the milks, and I have the evaporated milk. I am going to add the cream of coconut, and of course making sure that I get all that delicious and amazing cream out of the can. The condensed milk, making sure I get every little bit out. I have the whipping cream, and from here I am going to start adding just a little bit of the simple syrup, and I am going to incorporate it completely, making sure that everything is incorporated. I'm going to go ahead and taste it. It's great. And now I am ready to add the pineapple concentrate. Look at this. The flavor is so intense that once you open the little bottle, you could really smell the pineapple. The color looks so amazing. Let's see. Amazing. Now I'm ready to add some pineapple into my blender cup. And you know that this cup, I use it only for my lemonades. I don't do any delicious salsas in this cup. I'm going to go ahead and add 1 cup of regular milk, and then I am ready to blend away, making sure that everything is blended, and it really doesn't take too long. Once this is done, well, now we are ready to start adding all this pineapple and the milk into the rest of the ingredients. Let's go ahead and let's just add it, and at the same time whisk it so it incorporates completely, just like that. Look at this. Okay, once this is done, well then let's give it another taste. It tastes amazing. Now that this is done, let me show you how thick, how creamy, how delicious this looks. The color is amazing. It's bright yellow, but at the same time, it just looks perfect. The smell really penetrated my kitchen. And now I'm going to put it aside, and I have some pineapple that I want to start cutting in little pieces. Of course, you decide how big or how small you want your pineapple. I just want little pieces of the pineapple in my popsicles in a bag. Look at this. I'm going to be slicing them or cubing it. You decide. But let me show you how big I'm leaving the pieces. Okay, I'm going to continue with the rest. And now I am done. I'm just going to transfer it back to the plate. And now I am completely ready to start assembling my popsicles in a bag. I have the little baggies here. You decide how big or how small you want your popsicles in a bag. I have the pineapple here. I have this little cup which just makes it so easy to pour into the bags. Look at this. Let me show you the cup. You could buy it at Walmart. It makes it so easy that you don't make too many spills and you don't make a mess when you're making these amazing popsicles in a bag. Look at this. It fits really good. Well, now I am ready. I'm going to start adding at least 1 tablespoon of the pineapple into the little baggies. You don't want to add too much. Just add a little bit in there. Making these popsicles in a bag really takes time, takes a little bit of time, but at the end, they come out perfect and delicious, especially in this hot weather. You want to have something sweet, but yet you want to know how much sugar your family is intaking. So make these amazing popsicles in a bag at home. Of course, you could choose any flavor you want. Look at this. Once you have them like this, twist it really tightly. Twist. The reason that you twist is so that it makes it easier for you to make the knot on the top, and the ingredients don't come out. That's why you twist it. It takes time, but at the end, you are going to enjoy these creamy and delicious Pina Colada popsicles. Look at this. Let me make one more so that you see how easy it is. I know that it's time consuming, but you are really going to enjoy them. This summer with your family, when all your family comes over, you have a delicious and amazing popsicle in a bag to treat your loved ones. Look at this. Remember, you can make them as small or as big as you want. I like making them here at home medium size. I'm getting all the air out and now I'm just twisting. And like I said, to make it easier to make the knot on the top. The little baggies you could find in any supermarket. Okay, I'm going to continue making the rest one by one until I am done completely. Okay, I am done. I have all my popsicles in a bag here. I'm going to put them in the freezer and I'll see you tomorrow. Here, I'm bringing them out. They are nice and frozen, and look at this. You could remove the little plastic in the top or you could leave them behind. I like removing them just like this so they look more beautiful. Look at this. They look amazing. I like removing the little piece on the top, the extra plastic, just so that it looks so pretty when you put them on your table. When everybody comes over and they grab one, they look just amazing. Well, I'm going to continue getting the little extra plastic on the top off, and let me show you what I mean. Look how they look when you take the little plastic off. Look at this. Okay, I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am done with these amazing popsicles in a bag of Pina Colada. Look at this. Of course, you can make them as big or as small as you desire. They come out very creamy, very delicious. I know that you guys are going to love it, and they are perfect for this hot weather. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.